Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on developer option in your Samsung Galaxy A72. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy the Samsung Galaxy A72 and you are wondering how to turn on developer option. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. To go on your phone settings section, after click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you click here about phone. After clicking about phone, you click here software information. After clicking software information, we're going to find here something say build number. You have to press 7 times to turn on developer option in your phone. So after go back, if I go back in my phone, if I go again here setting, I'm going to see here just now I had successfully turned on developer option in my Samsung Galaxy A72. So this is how you can easily turn on developer option in your Samsung Galaxy A72. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.